Now let's begin with question number 4. BE and CF are two equal altitude of a triangle ABC. Using RHS congruence rule, prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Here the criteria is given to us that we have to use rule RHS only. तो हमें RHS को यूज़ करके ही ये बताना है कि वो जो ट्राइंगल है इट इज़ एन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. Alright, now pay attention here. See, look at into the diagram. This is a diagram. According to the given, I have drawn the diagram over here. This is triangle ABC and BE and CF are equal altitudes. That is BE is equal to CF, it is given to us. And we have to use RHS congruence criteria to prove that triangle AB equal to AC. So see, अगर इन्होंने हमें क्राइटेरिया का अगर कोई बॉन्डिंग नहीं दिया होता तो हम ऐसे भी कर सकते थे. AAS से इजीली हो जाता था, मतलब अभी भी इजीली ही हो जाएगा. AEF एंड AFC अगर हम ये दो ट्राइंगल्स को लेते तो हम ले सकते थे कॉमन एंगल, उसके बाद 90 डिग्री और फिर ये एक साइड AAS से प्रूफ हो जाता था और फिर AB इक्वल टू AC बाय CPCT होता था. बट नाउ वी कैन नॉट डू दैट. वी हैव टू यूज RHS ओनली, राइट एंगल hypotenuse side only. तो we cannot apply that rule in this triangle AEB, isn't it? क्योंकि ये 90 हो और ये उसकी hypotenuse है. तो अगर और यहाँ पे ये 90 होगा तो AC hypotenuse होगा और RHS में hypotenuse तो it should be equal and वही यहाँ पे हमें यहाँ पे वही equal बताना है. So now instead we will prove triangle BEC and triangle CFB congruent. See, BEC is equal to CFB, each 90 degree. Then BE equal to CF given and the BC equal to BC common. So ये 90 degree है और ये hypotenuse and this one side RHS. Okay, and hence we can write angle B is equal to angle A by CPCT. And since the triangles are equal, the side opposite to equal angles are equal. So we can write AB equal to AC and hence triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So now let's prove in triangle BEC and in triangle CFB. We have angle BEC is equal to CFB each 90 degree क्योंकि ये altitude था. Then we have BE is equal to CF. These are equal altitude which is given to us. Then we have BC is equal to BC which is common side. And therefore triangle BEC is congruent to triangle CFB by RHS criteria. And therefore angle ECB is equal to angle FBC. That is angle C is equal to angle B by CPCT. आपने ये दो ट्राइंगल प्रूफ किए हैं ना, तो हम यहाँ से बता सकते हैं कि ये ECB ये वाला एंगल और यहाँ से ये FBC मतलब ये एंगल दोनों इक्वल होंगे. दैट इज B इज इक्वल टू C. एंड इन ट्राइंगल ABC we have angle C is equal to angle B and therefore the side opposite to angle C, that is AB, is equal to side opposite to angle B is equal to AC. The sides opposite to equal angles are equal and therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Last sum, question number 5 of exercise number 7.3. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. You can see the diagram. This is ABC. I have drawn the diagram triangle ABC, isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC. It is given, draw AP perpendicular to BC. And we have to show that angle B is equal to angle C. This angle B and angle C are equal. See, can we prove triangle APB is congruent to APC? Yes. How? APB is equal to APC 90 degree. Then AB equal to AC given and AP equal to AP common. 90, this is hypotenuse and one side. So by RHS the triangles are congruent and we can write therefore angle ABP equal to ACP by CPCT. That is angle B is equal to angle C. That's all. A very simple sum. So let's prove the triangle. In triangle APB and in triangle APC. We have angle APB is equal to angle APC. It's each 90 degree. Then we have AP is equals to AP, which is common side, and hypotenuse AB is equal to AC, it is given. Now, therefore, triangle APB is congruent to triangle APC by RHS, and therefore angle ABP is equals to angle ACP by CT. So that is angle B is equals to angle C, hence proved.